This is mainly the idea here. If you imagine this like 6 or 7 feet in the air, here it is with the other side down. I think this will work out pretty nice for sheltering construction materials and stuff. Big stump right in the middle. These little $15 things from Menards. So the top beam is actually the mast of a windsurfer board. Look at this. I'm not into mushrooms, so I don't know what this is, but is this chicken of the woods? Because holy crap. All right. This is basically it. 25 by 14 foot tarp. Pretty cool. This is my first time trying chicken of the woods and oyster, both of which I found in some pretty awesome looking clusters over there. So I'm gonna fry them up with some of this and some butter and some of that. Tell you what I think. I'm not really a mushroom person, so. All right, here they are. I think I managed to get a nice crispy crust on at least some of these pieces. So I'll start with the chicken of the woods, which I think I'm probably more likely to enjoy, I guess. It's just the shallots and the garlic. A little bit mushroomy taste. I bet you could fry that up even more and get it like actually crispy. All right, I'm gonna give that one an 8 out of 10. I could see marinating that. So now I'll try the oyster. Immediately reminded me of Papa John's, specifically Papa John's. Yeah. I could see that definitely being good on a pizza. It does have a weird sort of seafood thing going on. So there you have it, folks. Yeah. I'm gonna test this out again with frying it up differently, maybe with some breading and stuff. Pretty cool to have these on my property. I'll show you some more footage of the stuff, I guess.